Is photography really about your camera, or is it about light? Have you got a minute? Let's educate, empower and inspire your photography, one 60-second tip at a time. Photography is literally defined by light. It means drawing with light. But the way you use light is what defines you as a photographer. Learning to see light, really see it, changes everything. When you start noticing shadows on walls, reflections in windows, the colour of a room at different times of day, you start seeing mood, you start seeing shape, you start seeing story, and that's the difference. You stop relying on luck, you stop hoping for a good shot, and you start actually shaping one. The camera's a tool, light is your language. And here's a practical idea for you. Next time you're out, before you even lift the camera, pause. Take 5 seconds and look at where the light is coming from. Is it soft or hard? Side lit or backlit? Is it warm or cool? What's it doing to your subject? Is it flattering? Is it adding depth? Or is it working against you? If so, move your feet, turn your subject, change your angle, and let the light do all the heavy lifting for you. In short, keep it simple, make it intentional, see it, respond to it and use it. Because when you learn to control light, you really do start to make progress. And if you're following along with the Ultimate Checklist series, this links directly to episode 5 here, where we break down how light shapes your subject and impacts clarity. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.